Let's go guys, kita kembali dengan mod lag. Let's go, kita continue. So, kita mengendalikan seorang pelajar remaja yang ingin mencari budak yang hilang di kampung mod lag ni tersebut. Ya. Yeah? So, kita tak tahu apa jalan cerita. Mari kita lihat. Saya dah lupa last kita kat mana. Tapi kita tengoklah sambungan dia. Dia something forget trauma to protect ourselves with this. Think that nothing happen, but they imagine how. Murray, I am your ghost from the future. I'm here to warn you will lose all your hair scraper. Hah? Okay, kita sambung lagi di sini ya. Okay, kita boleh pegang sepertinya. They smell nice. I mean, they smell of lice. Agak sus. Oh, okay, sama je semua. So, yep. Kita berjumpa dengan nenek tua. Jap, kita ada barang ke? Oh, ya, bakul. Bakul kan? Kita boleh kasih tak? Laundry basket. Okay, faham. Saya tahu. Wait it. Alright. Mungkin dari sini kita boleh pakai untuk ni. Ambil. Kita ambil semuanya dan bagi ke nenek ya. Alright. Nenek, saya sudah menjalankan misi. Ma'am, I put your laundry away so it doesn't get wet. Thank you, dear boy. Wait, here I make your nice cake. Boy. I can already taste it. My favorite flavor. Maybe old lady call me boy. Don't fret, she call me Marissa. Marissa, I think we have your new nickname. Only Murray and I should go in to this man's house for. Could I take you so he can be our house? Let's be real quiet. Okay, sepertinya kita lajunya. Kita berada di sebuah ruangan ya. Marissa, I told you to wait outside. Alamak. Woi, macam nak lari? Woi, tekan. Wow. Oh no. Dari di manakah? Dari ke mana? Sini kah? Okay. Help. Nenek ingin membunuh. Okay, cek. Okay. Hah? No. Alright. Kita ambil chair. Alright, chair. Okay. Yeah. Wait, nenek. Wait, nenek. Wait. Oh. Use chair to hit him. Use chair. Oh. Hah? APCB. Okay, ambil kursi and then what should I do? Okay, lari terus. Hah? Wait. Nice guys, setelah saya mencuba, rupanya kursi itu bukan untuk memukul ya, untuk menahan pintu. So mungkin kita apa lagi? Kursi lepas tu. Alright, and then kita cuba letak. And then kita keluar. Mungkin something can I do? Apa yang kita perlu buat sekarang ni? Ambil kursi. And then kita buka pintu kah? Tidak. Letak. Okay, dah letak. Nah. Nah. Okay. Keluar. Alright. Mungkin dia macam ni. Sekejap. Sabar. Okay, kita ambil. Tak, ni lambat tau. Dia tunjuk chair dia tu. Macam kita nak sangat tengok chair dia. Okay, lepas tu kita tukar. Kita tukar karakter. Okay. Close. Nice. Shut that fucking door. Wait. Mungkin kita boleh ambil kursi. Nice. Chair. Oh no. No. Okay, cara kita dah betul. Wait. Alright guys, mungkin kita kena ambil kursi dulu. And then No. No. Okay, mungkin kena cepat lah. Okay, let's go. Cepat sikit. Okay, gerak. Gerak lah. Okay, ambil. Alright. Cepatlah. Alright. Kita pakai. Letak. Nice. Nenek gila. Damn, that old bitter old lady. No, I mean bitch. What happened? The old fire started chasing us instead with me. She said, isn't she stuck in a wheelchair? She also a social security scammer. We really should have killed her. Bruno, can you walk? Make Bruno walk. Kita biarkan Bruno berehat atau Bruno berjalan. Sebagai kawan yang baik ya. Berjalan Bruno. I can't. I need to rest for a bit. Alah, hai. Bruno ni. Tak apalah. Nah, kita masuk rumah siapa pula? Oh, ni rumah nenek tadi ke? Alamak. Kita pergi masuk rumah nenek. Oh, ada kunci? Ada kunci. Okay, apa ni? Danish butter cookie. Oh no, it's just a swimming box. Oh, okay. Kita telah menyentuh sesuatu benda yang menjalankan cerita. Give it to me. You have shit hand. Oops. Thought you shit hands. I can't believe it. The needle fall into the dirt. Aduh. I can reach it in a minute. Long and thin finger. Does anybody have something? Come on, Scrapper. Let's hear it. Try with your penis. Yo! Wait. Kita try. Boleh ke? Kita guna budak panjang ni. Apa? We need thin fingers. Ada sesuatu kah yang boleh kita ambil? Wait, kita tengok dulu. Climbing strings. Kita cuba budak perempuan ni. Boleh tak? Nah, way to go, Ellie. Your bad dog hands. You must catch that one up. You do it, Ellie. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do it. I'm scared. I'm about to have a panic attack. Apa ni? You can do it, Ellie. You're in the swimming class. Something touched me. It's just the player, Toby. Oh, okay. What is this? Ada jarum. Apa ni? Oh, okay, faham. Sekejap, lepas tu what? Oh, macam tu. Oh, luka ke? Kita jahit luka. Thank you, you did a great job. Let's get going. We're wasting too much time. Dijahit tangan tu. Alright. Oh no. Kita kat sini lagi. Kita buka pintu ni. The door is had a red knock. It doesn't look too promising. I bet they kill people in there. Shall we take a look? Open the basement lift. Yeah! Mestilah kita kena tengok kan. Benda wajib dalam setiap cerita horror. The real dark. But I think I see something. Everybody, get out! Hah, kenapa? Wow! Monster apa pula? Don't worry, Toby. It's just apa tadi? Let's split up. I go upstairs and spy on the orc crew. You stay here and look around. You guys try to find out more about the child. Alamak. Kesalahan terbesar dalam cerita atau game horror iaitu berpecah ya. Itu adalah salah satu benda yang paling salah ya. Dia berpecah. Oh, ni apa? Sword. Oh, ada pedang. Ada pedang yang sword. Oh, kita boleh ambil banyak ya. Untuk persediaan persenjataan. Jikalau ada sesiapa yang ingin membunuh kita, kita boleh menggunakan pedang ini. Okey, ada gambar-gambar geng. Ini mungkin gambar-gambar keturunan ya. Alright, next kita... Oh, ni apa? Sword lagi. Let's go. Cukupkah? Sudahkah? Mungkin kita kena balik. Laju juga dia jalan. Let's go. Well, I'm just trying to erase camera's photo according to his age. Maybe it will open the secret place. Please put down theirs. Trust me, it like the Interesting Demon. Ah, the Interesting Demon. You spend too much time playing video game, dickhead. Maybe she watch out. Oh no. I really hope nobody hear us. Don't worry, I'm sure they think it was the crazy old lady. That you. Look, there are more pictures. There are 5 children. Do they have more kids? I bet they do. Come on, when I be in the forest, went missing. Oh, apa ni, geng? The piece of very look like a puzzle. Can I touch it? Or are you going to end it? Oh, well, go ahead and open it. Maybe we can borrow some silverware. 5 head and each head as a whole. Wait, gambar apakah ini? The kid is called Cameron. He's written on the birthday cake in this picture. Oh, ada budak-budak lain kah? This kid is called Cameron. Oh, faham. Okay, ni apa? You need some muscle here and I am a worm. Muscle, nice. Akhirnya watak utama kita Toby. Let's go. Noob. Biar aku uruskan. Ya I think I can push this object. I think oh yeah. Lupa ya, maklum lah. Let's go, kita tarik ke basement ni supaya raksasa tu tak keluar ya. Alright, let's go. Oh, ada energy, nice. Energy drink, nice. Alright, ada sesuatu kah? Kita tekan. This piece, oh, okay. Okay. Alright, so kita berjalan ke mana? I don't know, wait. Mungkin kita boleh ke basement kah? Boleh kah? Tak boleh. Boleh sentuh tak? Push this object only. Camera a white birthday. Alright, kita dah tak ada benda. Oh, masuk. Ini tempat tadi. Asal kita seorang je, mana yang lain? Oh. Buat saya terkejut je anak-anak ni. Alright, seperti ini tempat yang sama ya. So, tak perlu kita masuk lagi. Alright, di manakah harus ku berjalan? Mungkin kita boleh bercakap. Sama je. Oh, apa tadi? There are 5 head and each head is a hole. Apa tadi? Go ahead. The piece of furniture really look like a puzzle. Can I touch it, or are you going to annoy the shit out of me again? Kita kena guna scraper kah? Let's go. Adakah aku bisa melakukan sesuatu dengan scraper, guys? Sepertinya tidak ya anak-anak. Alamak, kita nak pergi mana pun saya dah tak tahu ni. Wait. Aduh, kita nak pergi mana ni? I don't know lah ya. Kita ikutkan sajalah ya. Wait. Alright guys, setelah saya berkeliling, saya nak eksperimen. Sekejap. Okay, salah. Okay, kita guna ni pula. Akhirnya setelah sekian lama berputar balik, jumpa juga. Sudah. Alright guys, kita bersambung lagi di episod. Alright, di sini ada pedang yang mengunci ya. So kita kena tarik. Boleh tarik. Wait. Boleh tarik tak? Tarik lagi boleh? Masukkan. Buka. Masukkan. Buka. Masukkan. Buka. Salah. Apa? Oh, faham. Wait. Purple. Mana purple? Hijau. Purple. Mana ni hijau? Pink. Purple dulu. Pink. Purple. Kuning. Merah. Hijau. Biru tak ada. Oh, okey. Purple. Ni pink. Tak apalah. Purple. Kuning. Biru. Hijau. Merah. Ui. Wait. I try. Oh. Lah. Oh, boleh keluarkan. Faham. Wait. Purple. Tak boleh. So, biru je lah. Wait. What is? Tukar. Boleh tukar. Jadi begitu. Alright. Purple tukar. Okay, lepas tu kuning. Kan? Kuning. Lepas tu biru. Nice. Lepas tu hijau. Betul? Jir. Apa ni woi? Okay. Tukar. Purple, kuning. Hijau. What the hell? Apa ni woi? Oh, boleh keluarkan kah? Alamak, makin gila dia punya ni. Guys, setelah sekian lama akhirnya kita dapat juga. Hey, there's also a letter from the overnight. Contain me probably if the Mars appears. Bro, are you awake, Bruno? Ha. Oh, apa ni? Sun Home operate 10 years of the apocalypse. Go to the back. You're too young to get yourself in trouble. Don't be careful. Stay. Be careful. Don't worry about me. Go to sleep. Dante. Adakah Bruno ada hubungan bersama Dante, guys? Walaupun kita tak tahu Dante tu siapa ya. Lambang ikonik Monlek, guys. Mungkin kita kena buka ni kot. Oh, okay. Tunggu hijau. Alright. Kita tunggu hijau ya, anak-anak sekalian. Nice. What is this? Buka. Nah. Buka. Nah. Oh, okey, ada apa ni? Hijau. Wow. Ada lampu. Dante. Kertas baru, guys. Dante kawan Bruno ya waktu kecil. Siapa Dante? We don't know. Iklan lagi. Yoi. Let's go. Alright, kita sambung. Sometimes if it doesn't help, just try hard every time. As having nightmares, we have to get him out of it before someone sees us. In why? Oh, ya. Sampai kita lupa ya terhadap wanita ini. Okay, dia naik tangga mencari info tentang. Adakah itu Dante? It's not real. Keep going, Ellie. Adakah itu Dante, anak-anak? Oh no, we need to get close to the. No. Oh, okay. I need to go close to the door without making noise. Itu tunduk ya, anak-anak. Alright. Ada grandpa, ada grandma menyerang kami. We know it's going to happen since the day you decide. Just like it happening before to his brothers. Why are you hitting him? We're not hitting him, Clifford. Somebody must have taken him. We weren't keeping an eye on him. We were sleeping. All this is so stressful, so we start taking sleeping well. The strike is happening soon. Do you know what will happen if we can't find the chosen one in time? Clifford, there's someone behind the door. Alamak. Shit. Damn kid, we have to make sure they didn't find out too much. Should we go back to the orphanage? No need. Grim is there to keep snoopers out. You better go looking. Blah blah blah. I will go take blah blah blah. Ada sebuah rahsia besar di molek ya. Shortly after. How are you, bro? Do you feel better? Yeah, I lost some blood, but I'm okay now. That man with the nun is so shady. He speaks us of the lodge at the secret society. They were talking about this eclipse. Did you say they managed to orphanage? Yes, Clifford and Sister Adele bitter. No afflicty and Sister died. Said this determined to some kids even. It must be awful to grow up in the orphanage. Clifford be a fuck up. We were all afraid of everything there. Let's get off the map. The map where you were pressed out. We found a letter from the orphanage and made the map. But we could understand it, of course. What's the map? Don't know much about it. What I know is where we can look for answer. We should check out all the secret room in the group. Okay, orphanage tu saya tak tahu apa, tapi dia ada menyimpankan sebuah rahsia ya tentang jalan cerita ni. Oh, ini ke orphanage? Tempat apa ni? Adakah ini tempat orphanage-nya, guys? I don't know lah. Mari sama-sama kita melihat. Alright. Tempat apa ini? Sebuah bangunan. Oh, okay. Kita pergi ke sini. Anak-anak, ikut kami. Ada atuk. Ada atuk. Tu. Shit. Granddana Grim on it. I try to find a shovel. You guys just look around. Oh no. What the hell? Oh. Kita tak boleh. Sepertinya kita harus cepat ya. Alright. What the hell? Ay! Okay. Tak apa. Tunduk dulu. Adakah dia pergi? Oh, okay. Faham. Kita tengok belakang. Kita terus gerak. Okay, sabar guys. Is menyeludup time. Pandang belakang. Cik tua. Okay. Dia pandang belakang. Stop. Nah, kita. Alright, sabar. Orang tu memang macam tu guys. Kita kena tunggu dia melihat ke belakang dan tidak menganggap ada orang. Pandang belakang. Itu tu ada tupai ha. Nice man. Ouch, shit. Oh no, kita kena perangkap. Aduh. Cepatlah. Au. Cepat. Okay. Oh, okay. Faham. Alright. So, kalau ada benda tu, kita tak boleh... Oh no, darah dia. Kita tak boleh lama-lama kat situ. Kita kena terus pergi ke sana, ya. Dia pandang belakang pun lama. So, boleh. Okay. Lari. Okay. Nice. Adakah dia sudah pergi? Adakah boleh, guys? Alright. Dia datang. Sabar. Jangan gelojoh, ya. Gelojoh amalan syaitan. Alright. Lari. Nah. Gitu tutorialnya. Okay, sabar. Tunggu dia pandang belakang. Tok, ada isteri Tok. Tok, pandang belakang Tok. Tok. Tu ada janda 3 Tok. Lari. Tu. Nice. Kita selamat dari kejaran Atok. Oh, apa ni? I need something to open it. Shovel. Nice. Kita dapat shovel, ya. Ada suatu peti. I don't know peti apa. Tapi kita kena cari sesuatu untuk membukanya. Ada bocil. Wow. Hey brother, can you do me a favor? Don't call me brother. You're not one of us. Of course I'm one of us. They show me some proof. Shotaro challenge him. Kenapa kita kena challenge lah? Kita kasih the challenge. I see you have the old book over it. I remember all the answer. Let's see what you can do. Huh? Oh alamak. You were all the bit. Hah? Apa ni? Woi. Jadi apakah? Main apa ni? The beginning and the end. What you were, what you will be. Masa lubang. Baby. Hah? Daripada baby dia menjadi orang. Lepas jadi orang, dia tua. Lepas tua, mati. Dah? Younger. Oh, okay. Ambil ni kah? Ambil ni. In the end, you will be. Kita ambil ni. Lepas tu kita ambil apa ni? Manusia lubang tua bunuh. Hati kah? Ni. Salah. Alamak. Oh, okey. Ni teka-teki amat suka. Daripada baby dia menjadi manusia sejati. Lepas tu dia dah tua. Malaikat panggil. Yelah. Lepas tu hati dia terus jadi hitam dan dia menjadi mayat. Younger sweet ada ini game apa ni? Tak faham. Biru, merah. Oh lah, ada warna ke? Okey, biru dengan biru. Nah. Lepas tu merah ada 2. Okey, kita cari merah. Oh, baby. Dengan orang tua. Oh, ada masa lah. Itu masa kah? Hijau dengan ni. Nice. Salah juga. Okay, biru. Aha. Ada hijau lain ke? Ada warna hijau yang lain ke? Tak ada rasa. So kita ambil hijau. Hijau. Terbalik. Aduh, terbalik lah. Kita merah dulu. Ini masa dia terus berjalan kah? Iya, masa dia terus berjalan ya anak-anak. Okay. Alright, merah. Warna merah. Tua, lepas tu mampus. Okay, dia mampus. Okay, tekan. Alright. Hijau apa? Hijau ni je lah, mana ada warna lain. Ada purple kah? I don't get it. Ni. Lepas tu merah ada warna lain ke? Baby. Atau mayat mungkin. Hijau pun tak ada warna lain. So kita ambil terus. Ni. Salah juga. Wait ya. Alright. Alright guys, kita cuba yang sama ya. Kita samakan mereka. Alright, ini masa zaman dulu dan ini masa zaman sekarang ya. Jam, sekarang guna jam, dulu guna pasir. Alright, baby. Kepercayaan diorang mungkin. Alright, lelaki hitam dengan lelaki hitam. Bukan lelaki hitam, benda hitam dengan hitam ya. Bukan judge, tapi memang teka-teki dia macam tu. Macam mana abang boleh tahu? Rahsia kan. Okay, I guess maybe you were one of us. One never stop being blah blah blah. Let me guess, you want game away. Yeah. Share a secret as to go in. Alright guys, sampai sini saja video kita kali ni. Yep. So bye. Saya akan buat seterusnya. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Dadah. Jangan rindu ya. Tu.